we are creating these kits that are going to be involved in a massive large-scale clinical trial to reduce MRSA in patients who are discharged from hospitals. This is new to Medline. However, Medline has been well known to build kits per the hospital. They're looking for more information and more results to say, how can we have cost-effective approaches to reduce infections, but also reduce the cost of them as well? Because once someone is discharged from the hospital, clinician does not want you to come back within 30 or 60 or 90 days. So it's great if we can give you something at home that you can use to remove those patches from the skin so you will not come back into the hospital to be readmitted for an infection.
Medline truly lives a roll-up-the-sleeves type attitude. Any part of our division you can think of, everyone's coming out to help to make sure this gets done and we get this product out to these accounts as soon as possible.